Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, today I will discuss about how to create interest calculation in Tally Prime. Okay, so regarding this, today we will discuss. Okay, friends, note down these notes for your reference. Interest calculation. Interest is a legitimate return on money invested and chargeable in the business world on loans and also on delayed payments. On loan means suppose borrowing loan from banks or by person, and delayed payment means from the customer and to suppliers. Okay, both the delayed payments. Interest can be calculated on the basis of simple or compound interest. So here interest will calculate in both the format, simple interest and compound interest. So as per your requirement. With the Tally Prime, you can obtain reports on interest calculated based on the configuration made. Interest is calculated on outstanding receivables or outstanding payables. Okay. So what is interest? Any charge for the privilege of borrowing money and expressed as annual percentage rate is referred to as interest in dictionary of business. It can also refer to as the amount of ownership a stockholder has in a company, usually expressed as a percentage. Breakdown of interest rate. Interest can be broken down as simple and compound interest. Simple interest. It is the rate set on the principal amount originally lent to the borrowers that the borrower has to pay for the ability to use the money. Compound interest. It is the interest on both the principal and the compounding interest paid on that loan. Benefits of calculation of interest with Tally Prime. If we forget to account any interest receivable or payable with the help of Tally Prime, now we can avoid all such uncertainties by generating interest calculation report. This interest amount generated is correct amount because of Tally Prime database calculation. Interest calculation in Tally Prime is very much suitable for a bank loan, personal loan or general business loans interest. Parameters of calculation of interest satisfy different type of users' needs. Some may be interested to calculate interest on current credit balance, or some may interest on the total amount, but Tally Prime provides both facilities in parameters about the calculation of interest, either credit balance or debit balance. Friends, enable interest calculation. After creating the company, in company feature menu, you can enable interest calculation. Set to yes. First you have to create one company. I have already created here one company. Now I enable interest calculation. So I have already created company. Press F11 features. So come to the enable interest calculation option. So this is the option we need to enable. So set to yes. Press Y. Accept. See here, enable goods and service tax. So this is not required for year because I am going to showing how to calculate interest. Okay. So in your working spot you have to enable this one. This is very important. Okay. Accept. So here alter voucher types. So alter credit note and debit note voucher types. So gateway of Tally, select alter, press enter, select credit note. Select alter, press enter, go to accounting master, select voucher type, select credit note. So come to the name of class. So here you have to type interest payable class. Interest payable class. Press enter. So use class for interest accounting, set to yes. Amounts to be treated as compound interest, set to no, accept. So now select debit note. So come to the name of class. So here you have to type interest receivable class. Interest receivable class. Use class for interest accounting, set to yes. Amounts to be treated as compound interest, no, accept. Okay. Now we altered voucher type of debit note and credit note. So now select create and create the ledger accounts. So these are the 8 transactions. So these are the 8 transactions. You have to create all these transaction ledger accounts I listed here. Okay. So Canara Bank, that is your current account bank. So go to Gateway of Tally, select create, press enter. Go to Accounting Master, select ledger, create. So Canara Bank under bank account. Activate interest calculation. So Canara Bank not required to activate interest calculation because it is your business account, current account. Accept. So next one, Rakesh Capital. Rakesh Capital under capital account. So activate interest calculation, set to yes. For amounts added, set to yes. For amount deducted, no. Rate. So here I typed rate here 5% per annum. So 5%. So here you have to select 30-day month, 365-day year, calendar month, calendar year. So 30-day month means sometime some months are 31 and February months are 28, 29. 365-day for year means in February 4 years once 29 days. Then it is 365 days. And calendar month. So suppose you select calendar month. So as per the calendar days, it will be calculated. Calendar 1 year, so it will be calculated whole calendar year. So you have to select year, calendar year, because 5% per annum, that's why you have to select calendar year. On credit balances. On credit balances only. Accept. So capital account always showing credit balance. So next one, HDFC Bank loan. Secured loan. Activate interest calculation, set to yes. For amount added, set to yes. No. So interest rate is 7% per annum. So select calendar year. Credit balance. So loan account also showing credit balances. Accept. So next one, Raju Sand loan. Under unsecured loan. Activate interest calculation, set to yes. So Raju Sand loan 2% per month. For amount added, set to yes. For amount deducted, no. 2% per calendar month. Because you have to pay the interest to Raju's every month. That's why you have to select calendar month. On credit balances. Accept. So next one, purchase account. Under purchase account. So this is a supporting ledger. No activate interest calculation. Okay, accept it. So next one, universal power tools. Supplier. Universal power tools. Under sundry creditors. Activate interest calculation, set to yes. See, here this is very important. Calculate interest transaction by transaction, set to yes, because you are purchasing goods from your suppliers once in a month, twice in a month, or weekly, or 15 days, like this you have to purchase the items. So that's why you have to set here, calculate interest transaction by transaction, yes. Override parameter for each transaction, no. For amounts added, set to yes. For amount deducted, no. So interest rate is 2% per month. So select calendar month. So select credit balances. So supplier balances always showing credit balance. Accept. Next, move to other ledgers. Bhavani Agency. Customer. Bhavani Agency. Under sundry debtors. Activate interest calculation, set to yes. Calculate interest transaction by transaction, set to yes. So customer also buying weekly basis, 15 days basis, 20 days basis, or monthly basis. So that's why you have to set to yes. Override parameter for each transaction, no. For amounts added, set to yes. For amount deducted, no. So percentage is 3% per month. Select calendar month. So debit balance. So customer balances always showing debit balance. Accept. Sales account. Under sales account. Not applicable. Activate interest calculation, no, because this is a supporting ledger. So salary, interest receivable, interest payable, these are all supported ledgers. Don't activate interest calculation for these ledger also. Salary, indirect expenses, interest receivable, interest receivable, indirect income. Accept. Interest payable, under indirect expenses. Okay friends, now we created all the ledgers. Okay, so go to the transaction, go to the first transaction, escape, go to get web tally, select voucher, enter one by one transaction in related vouchers. So first one, receipt voucher, press F6, credit entry first, Rakesh Capital 10 lakh, select Rakesh Capital. So on 1/4/2020, so this is the date, 1/4/2020, Rakesh Capital 10 lakh. So cash 2 lakh, Canara Bank 8 lakh. So cash account data 2 lakh, Canara Bank account data 8 lakh, to Rakesh Capital 10 lakh. Accept. Second voucher, that is also receipt on 1/4/2020, same date. Received loan from HDFC Bank rupees 5 lakh by check. Interest rate is 7% per annum. So leave it interest. So HDFC Bank loan, credit entry first, 5 lakh. So Canara Bank 5 lakh. So in the same date 1/4/2020 received hand loan from Mr. Raju rupees 2 lakh by cash. Cash account data to Raju's hand loan. So credit entry first, select Raju's hand loan 2 lakh. So cash 2 lakh. On 1/4/2020, goods purchased from Universal Power Tools rupees 3 lakh, invoice number 6497. Select purchase voucher by pressing F9 button. So here this is invoice mode. So you have to change into voucher mode. So for that, change mode. Click on change mode. Select as voucher. So type supplier invoice number 6497. So credit entry first, Universal Power Tools. Universal Power Tools. The amount is 3 lakh. New reference, purchase account 3 lakh. So in the same date, goods sold to Bhavani Agency rupees 5 lakh, invoice number 7135. Okay. So press F8 for sales voucher. So this is invoice mode. Change the mode. Click on change the mode. Select as voucher. So Bhavani Agency. So debit entry file. Bhavani Agency 5 lakh. New reference. Type the invoice number 7135. Sales account 5 lakh. So next, on 1/5/2020, goods purchased from Universal Power Tools rupees 5 lakh, invoice number 9512. Now change the date. Press F2 for changing the date. Type 1/5/2020. So select purchase voucher. So this is invoice mode. Change the mode as voucher. So invoice number 9512. So Universal Power Tools. So amount is 5 lakh. New reference, purchase account. On the same date, goods sold to Bhavani Agency rupees 7 lakh. Press F8. Change the voucher mode. Press here change mode. Select as voucher. Select Bhavani Agency 7 lakh. Invoice number 9537. Sales account. Select sales. Accept. So last voucher. So this is very important. This is supporting transaction. You just assume at the end of the year transaction 31/3/2021. Suppose your change date at the end of the financial year. So interest amounts will be calculated for 12 months. Suppose May, June, July, like that you have to pass the supporting entries. According to that, interest will be calculated. Okay. So here I am taking, for example, end of the year. So go to the payment voucher, F5, change the date, F2, 31 March 2021. Salary 1 lakh. Cash 1 lakh. Okay. So now go to the gateway of Tally. So check the interest calculation each ledger. Press display more reports. Select statement of accounts. Select interest calculation, select interest receivable. So current asset. So that is supplier, customer. Bhavani Agency is a customer. Press one more enter. So it is showing transaction by transaction. So when we are activating interest calculation, so we set this option. Interest calculate transaction by transaction. So that's why it is calculated as per the transaction by transaction. See here, 5 lakh. So for 12 months, 1,80,000. This is 7 lakh. May transaction. This is 11 month interest, 2,31,000. You just verify it. 5 lakh into 3% divided by 100 into 12. See here, 1,80,000. So our calculation is right. So check it. Second transaction, 7 lakh into 3 divided by 100 into 11 month, because this is May month transaction. So total month is 11 month. Press enter. So 2,31,000. So here 2,31,000. So our interest calculation is right. Interest payable. Select this one, interest payable. Capital account, Rakesh Capital. See here, this is 365 days per annum. So his interest rate is 5% per annum. So calculate for 10 lakh. Control N, 10 lakh into 5 divided by 100. So 50,000. So 50,000 is right. So loans liability. Secured loan, that is bank loan. So that is also a per annum basis, 7%. Control N, 5 lakh into 7% divided by 100. So interest rate is 35,000. Okay. See here, our calculation is right. So here what we set configuration, that is also a right, 35,000. So like that, unsecured loan, that is Raju's hand loan. So 365 days. So 48,000. So 2 lakh into 2 divided by 100. So 100. So this is a per month basis. Per month basis. Control N. 2 lakh into 2% divided by 100. 4,000. 4,000 into 12. 4,000 into 12, that is 48,000. So as per our setting, the interest rate is correct. So next, current liabilities, that is supplier, Universal Power Tools. So interest transaction by transaction. First transaction 72,000 interest amount. For second transaction 1,10,000 is the interest amount. So verify it. 3 lakh into 3 lakh into 2% divided by 100 into 12. That is 72,000. Right. So like that, 5 lakh into 2 divided by 100 into 11. This is May month transaction. So this is 11. So 1,10,000. Okay. So as per our configuration, so interest is calculated correct. See here, select ledger wise, Bhavani Agency. But here it is showing only 12 lakh. But not this 4,11,000 is not included to Bhavani Agency ledger. So because of this, you have to pass debit note and credit note voucher. So then only it will be appear in particular ledger accounts. So now only balances is showing 12 lakh actual cost, but not interest amount. For that you have to pass the two voucher entries, that is debit note voucher and credit note voucher. So come to the gateway of Tally, select vouchers. So this is for your reference. See, enter interest payable amount in credit note voucher by pressing Alt plus F6. So interest payable, that is credit note, Alt F6. Press Alt F6. Select interest payable class. Interest payable except Bhavani. Select rest of the ledger. First select HDFC Bank loan. So HDFC Bank loan amount is 35,000. So select interest payable ledger. Accept. So next one, Raju Sand loan. So 48,000. So interest payable. Interest payable ledger. So select next ledger, Rakesh Capital. So Rakesh Capital, total 50,000 interest. Select interest payable. So last one, Universal Power Tools. So here two transactions are there. So total 1,82,000 is the interest amount. Select next one, end of list. So 1,82,000. $1,82,000. This is against reference. So do it first. Okay. So select Universal Power Tools. And select this one, end of list. Select interest payable. So next, Alt F5, interest receivable. Select Bhavani Agency. Select these two transactions, end of list. Select interest receivable. Accept. So now check the effect on ledger account. So display more reports. Select display more reports. Select accounts book or statement of accounts, whatever it, or otherwise go to accounts book. Select ledger. So select Bhavani Agency. Alt F2, change the period. 1/4. See here, including interest amount is totally 16,11,000. So earlier it was showing 12 lakh. So now including interest it is showing 16,11,000. HDFC Bank loan, change the period. 1/4/20. See, interest amount is affected for HDFC Bank loan. So total amount is including interest 5,35,000. So like that you have to check Raju sand loan 1,4. So including interest 2,48,000. Rakesh Capital Alt F2. So including interest 10,50,000. So Universal Power Tools Alt F2 1,4. So including interest 1,82,000. The total is 9,82,000. Okay friends. So like this, in this way you have to create interest calculation in Tally Prime. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my video.